Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about solution first website development. In today's economy, whenever you are developing a website, there are so many offers for you, but in most of the cases, the thing comes first is the pricing of the website, means how much to develop the website. But no one talks about solutions, because whenever someone talking about a website which is costing like $1,000 or maybe $10,000, the problem is people cannot get it first. What is the solution? So we develop websites where we put the solution first. We want to give you some solutions. What sort of solutions? Can website attract more clients? No, actually the website itself alone cannot, but with the help of the marketing campaign, digital marketing and other things, a website can. So whenever you are developing a website and you are just focusing on the performance and the look of the website, it's fine, but you have to focus on the growth as well, because the website should be the primary tool for your digital marketing campaign. Because people nowadays, they tend to develop websites, they just throw away their money, something like $100 or $200, and then they think they are getting it all. But it's not the case in this scenario, because you have to keep a nice budget for your website, for your web developer or the freelancer or the team to work fine on this project. Because whenever people can give the proper time, they can actually do some R&D about your website, and research is a must for development. If you are developing a website which is not getting the exposure, you are just wasting your money. So you have to be clear about the goal of your business achievement. As a local business provider, you have to be on the grip of the campaign and of that website, because whenever you are just creating it, people will be coming and it can gain your exposure or it can ruin your business, and that's a very bad thing. In most of the cases, people, they don't focus that much on this. In a result, they start to lose valuable clients. So what you can do, you can just plan a perfect website development roadmap. I have a video on that, how to plan your website development in just a day, so you can watch it. Also, you have to be clear about the vision of your business. You have to achieve the goal, because in today's world, we have everything. We have Facebook and Instagram, we have social media exposure, and the website has to be the central, most valuable thing in your marketing investment. Whenever you are running a campaign, there is an ad running and people watch that ad, they click learn more, after that they land on your website. So in most of the cases it's the home page, but if you do it wisely, you should land them into a landing page dedicated for that particular campaign, and that would be a great thing for you to do. If you think that the website there, everything should be in the home page and people should come to the home page at the first place, you would also be losing your valuable prospects. How is that? Maybe you are doing renovation and there is a dedicated page for renovation in the website. You might redirect your prospective clients or land the prospective clients into that particular page, so that whoever watched a video about your service, renovation service in particular, they can know a lot about that specific service. If they comes to your website and they are lost in so many other services like maintenance, plumbing, electrical, etc., you might definitely lose them. So you have to be clear about the campaign and you have to be in control of your website. You have to do it, or if you cannot, you just can get managed service from anyone who can provide that. So solution first website development is not just a concept, this is a fact, and you have to be clear about that. You don't need a cheap website, you have to have a solid budget for the website, and you have to have that as an investment. It will return in the longer course of time. If you think this should be a wise decision for you, leave a comment what you think about this one, and we can just discuss in the comment box, no problem. So if you think that planning a great website development is a much more difficult for you, we can help. You can get our 30 minutes free consultancy. You can just visit passivecoder.com and book a free consultancy there, no matter what your problem is. And that's all for today. Have a nice day and see you on the next video.